it's intuitive, I'm not going to say a lot more about it, but let's just do a little bit of sanity checking. Okay, so you should see a poll if you're not on a browser platform. So what's red? When I get up about halfway on votes, then I'll show. Okay, very intuitive. Everybody agrees on what this is. Okay, good. Okay, now how about yellow? Okay, so you should have a new poll. It's reset. So now which one is yellow? Okay, so most people, do you guys see the poll when I move it over to this screen? Yeah, okay. So so most people seem to agree. There seem to be some people that thought that this would be yellow. This is going to be a color that's mostly red with some other things in it. Okay, now here's one of these colors which is not just pure one or the other. We don't really have a good definition. What do we think is pink? Okay, so let's talk about these answers a little bit. So indeed, C is pink, but I think it's going to be easier to talk about D first. So if we have 1, 1, 1, all equal in red, green, blue, we're going to get to white. So if we have half, 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 that's going to be gray, right? So sort of a darker white or a gray value if they're all equal. So now if we go to C, if you consider this to be sort of D plus some additional red, you can think of this as gray plus red or white plus red, right? So this is going to go towards pink. White and red together is going to be kind of a pink color. So indeed, this is pink.